my channel. My name is Ashmata and I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all had a very great Diwali. So armies, I am really excited for today's reaction, particularly because the song that I'm going to be reacting to, Heartbeat, you guys have told me that this is the original soundtrack for their game BTS World. I've not played the game though. Do let me know how the game is for those who have played, but I do know the gist because I researched it. So I do know the gist that in the game, basically the player is the manager and the player, like, you are supposed to get the team together and help them debut and stuff and make them famous. So I think that is what the gist of the game is. And there is also like a parallel universe of the members. Like, there are two games, I think. One is this and another is a parallel universe where the members are not really BTS, but they are like regular people who are doing like regular jobs like you and me, basically. So that was really interesting. I was interested to download the game, but you know, games tend to be really addictive, so I don't know if I should play it. Do let me know, armies, for those who have played it, how the game is and stuff like that. So yes, that's why I'm really excited to watch this particular MV because does it tell the story about the game or what is it about? I'm really excited to see. So yeah, without dealing this any further, armies, yeah, let's just start. Okay, and play. Shine as bright as now. Okay. Wow, BTS World. Oh. Oh, Tay wanted to be a farmer, right? So, oh, is it based on their personal aspirations or something? Ooh, because I saw the farm. Oh. It spins me around and drives me crazy. What's Jungkook? Taekwondo. Taekwondo, right? Wait. Let me go back. So I want to see. I want to concentrate. Ooh. What is that? Is he part of some cult gang? What's Jimin? Jimin is a baker? Okay, and he's dancing also, he's practicing also. Is he a chef? Oh, he's not a chef. Oh, he's working in a hotel. He's okay. So let me see everybody. What's Namjoon? This is great. I'm not understanding. He's a doctor. A vet. Guys, I swear I'm not reading the lyrics because I'm concentrating on the visuals. Then again, once again, I'll go back and I'll read the lyrics. Okay, I'm absolutely not looking at the lyrics right now. So he's a vet. Oh, he's like a pianist. Okay. So this is so cool. Okay, so Taeyang is basically, they are not a group right now. So Taeyang is a farmer. He's basically like a farmer. Jungkook, I feel, is part of a team or a gang, and he's wearing that karate outfit. I think he's doing taekwondo because I know he's good at taekwondo. So maybe that. So I think it's like maybe he's part of a gang. Maybe there is like an underground taekwondo competition or something like that. It is happening, like a tournament. Then Jimin is like a baker. Like, yeah, not a chef really. He's like a baker, but he's dancing. So I think deep down he wants to dance, but he doesn't have the opportunity. He's not been given a platform or something like that. Seokjin is working as, like, I don't know, like in a hotel. He's basically like one of the hotel management people. attending the guests and stuff. And this, I don't know what Namjoon is though. He's running here and there. So confusing. Is he chasing someone? Is he like a police? But he's not wearing a police outfit. But he's looking for someone. He's chasing someone. So I'm not understanding what his job is. Maybe like a police only, I think. I don't know. Let me know. Of course, I know you guys will let me know. Then Hobie is a veterinarian, and this Yoongi is a pianist. Okay, now I will read the lyrics. Now I will read the lyrics.
Me round and drives
Okay.
me crazy. 낮에뜬 달 같은 나인가
Okay.
봐. 만약 나 혼자였다면 혹시 널 몰랐다면 포기했을지 몰라. Lost in the sea.
Okay.
But my heart's still on fire with a burning desire. 다시 널 찾을 거야 운명처럼. I
Okay.
wish that you were me. 어제처럼 다시 이 손 놓지 말고. And every time my heart beats, 맞춰봐 다시 설레이지 않도록.
Okay.
운명을 느껴 운명을 느껴
Okay.
When you hear my heartbeat, baby, you give me a new life, you give me a new birth.
I think the you is probably their actual dream or desire. That all of them want to be musicians or stuff like that. Like they want to, maybe he wants to dance, and he probably like Hobie wants to play the piano. I don't know, like just because of course I do not know the game, so this is just my guesswork looking at the visuals and the lyrics.
I feel your heartbeat away. I've been losing
He's
my
chasing.
mind, I've been grabbing my shine. I knew maybe for you was already made me, but you designate me and you resume me. I've been
Okay.
calling your name in this universe. I got universe done.
Oh, universe.
이 우주가 빚어낸 남편의 드라마 같아. 수많은 또
Who?
헤매임 끝이 보이지가 않던 방황. 그 미로 속에서 나를 이끌어준 너는 나의
Oh, the whale is that the whale is that reference? And see, they're showing so much galaxy and stuff because of BTS world, but I feel that like it sort of means that deep down, whatever their desire is, like to become musicians and perform, or to be on stage, or to go into the entertainment business, something like that, and that they're putting it out on the universe, and maybe the universe is sort of like destiny, sort of making all the chips fall in place so that they can pursue, they can be what they want to be and meet their destiny, do what they were destined to be. So much guesswork I do, na Army. So much guesswork I do. Sorry. What a visual. See, things are aligning. Like I'm born to perform. So destiny, the universe is aligning all of them to meet together and become BTS, right? I love how this song is not very like, it's a very nice slow song, and like it's really like tung tung tung, that really nice beat. I really like the beat of this song. Though my brain is more concentrating on the visuals.
Oh, my heart's on fire.
See, things are aligning.
I wish that you would love me. 어제처럼 다시 손 놓지 말고. Every time my heart beats back.
So I think in the course of the game, maybe all of them come together, and I am like the manager. I bring all of these people together. Is that the game?
다시 장래의자처럼 운명을 느껴
Ah, 2012. Oh, wow. 2012. Okay, wait. So 2012. So this story starts because they debuted in 2013. So basically, me as the manager, I get all the boys together to form BTS and get them sort of ready for debut in 2013. Ah, so I'm a very important player. I'm a very important player in the game. Wow, this is actually tempting me to download the game, guys. Armies, I love this. They took a lot of time. The MV of a game's song, game's original soundtrack is of this quality. Just amazing, guys. Just amazing. I mean, this is like, this is an MV. I mean, who would say that this is an MV of a game? Look at the production value. Look at the production value. It's really amazing. I just, I think at this point, I'm not surprised. I mean, I'll be surprised if they fail to impress me. You know, I'll be surprised at that point of time. Now it doesn't surprise me because I know that they are going to, you know, hit a certain standard, or I have come to expect a certain sort of level and standard from BTS now. I don't know. Maybe it's a good thing or a bad thing. I feel it could go both ways because I think BTS also knows that our armies are sort of expecting us to, you know, top our previous MV or our previous song. So I think there's a lot of pressure on them also as artists. But yes, that's how you grow. I feel pressure is not always a bad thing. Pressure can make you achieve unbelievable things. It really can. It really can. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction to BTS's Heartbeat. It's a beautiful song. It's like, I think it's very fitting with all the Galaxy stuff that was showing, you know. And I really like the end part when they were pulling that really nice high note. Really like that. I don't know, I'm a fan of high notes, guys. I'm a fan of high notes. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction to Heartbeat. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yes, today my location has changed. I don't know, I'm sure the regular viewers have realized that this is like a new location I have chosen today. But I mean, just felt like sitting on my bed today and shooting for apparently no reason. So yeah, so yes, guys, that was it from me today. Please do subscribe to the channel if you are a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.